Hi everyone, welcome to our course How to Start a Shopify Store in Just Over an Hour by Majanette. With just over an hour of effort, you can have your e-commerce store up and running. Note that our course just provides a basic guide for you to set up a successfully online store and sell your product. For more technical information and steps about Shopify, we will cover it in the next course. So, let's get started. By using Shopify for this course, participants will have the opportunity to learn about the basics of setting up a Shopify store from scratch. And afterward, you will have a fully functional Shopify store that is ready to go live. With this course, you will learn about how to create your Shopify store or detailed explanation about each step, from preparation to setting up a successful store, how to add products and collections, how to set up essential store page such as a content page, about page, policy page, and FAQ, how to set up a navigation menu, payment, shipping, and taxes, how to add domain, app, and sales channel on your Shopify store. The code is easy to follow and understand with step-by-step instructions and practical tips. It's designed for people who are interested in starting an online store but have limited experience in setting up an e-commerce platform. Small business owner and entrepreneur who want to build their online store presence and sell their products. We'll divide your course into two main parts. First, we'll go through things that you have to prepare before starting your online store. This includes having a basic knowledge about Shopify, decide the target audience, and make a business plan. We will provide business plan example for you to understand. In the second part, we'll introduce you how to set up your Shopify store, including how to create an account by starting a free trial on Shopify, add products and collections, set up store page and navigation menu, how to choose as well as customize theme, set up payment, shipping, taxes, and adding domain. Something you will need to prepare for the launch, and the final step to kick off your store.